According to Dubai Carbon, the UAE ranks among the top nations for per capita waste generation in the world. Roughly 38% of the food prepared every day in the Emirates is wasted, which jumps to around 60% during Ramadan.
Gulf News reported that 39% of Abu Dhabi's 1.1 million tons of municipal solid waste is generated from food waste.
No idea. No.
Yes. أنا ضد مفهوم الإسراف. يجب المحافظة على كل الموارد التي نمتلكها، لأن في يوم ما سنفقد الكثير من الأشياء، خصوصا الماء والغذاء. هناك مجتمعات تفتقر إلى هذه الأشياء.
It's one of the most important problems and we're facing, especially in ecological level. لأنه نحن if we remember one بالfootprint per individual, we are having high consumption of all resources, and food is considered to be one of them.
Yes, I am.
It's when you buy more than you need and then you throw it.
At the left of plate, if I want to eat, let me eat, let's say, how much I'm able to. Don't over put food in your plate and then throw them at the end. This is the big mistake.
Food waste is basically when you have excess food or food that you don't want and you basically throw it away.
Probably yes.
Honestly, not that much. I really control the amount of food I throw and the amount of food I cook.
I used to be.
ويمكن أن السكوت في بعض الأوقات هو سبب من المشكلة، ولكن في أغلب الأحيان بعض الآباء يعتقدون توفير الكماليات والثانويات للأبناء شيء إجباري وإلزامي لديهم.
Better awareness, more examples, and definitely values and morals being taught in class.
By advising parents and children about how what are the side effects of this issue. It's not only about throwing the food. What are the disadvantages on the environment and the whole world.
تعليم أبنائهم توفير هذه المواد والاستفادة منها والتقليل من استهلاك.
أبدأ في بنفسي وقنن بعض الأشياء التي مش مهمة في الحياة، لا أضعها على قائمة أولوياتي.
Almost 1/3 of all the food produced is lost and wasted. Not only does this mean an economic loss, it means that all the natural resources used for growing, processing, packaging, transporting, and marketing that food were also wasted. Also, exploiting the environment to provide more of these resources, forests and marine habitats are lost along with their biodiversity. Above all, wasted food emits some 3.3 megatons of greenhouse gases, which increases the global warming.
We wanted to know if restaurants were taking any type of actions to avoid wasting food. So, we visited them all. Our first stop was a frequently visited Asian restaurant, then a Turkish restaurant that is known for its enormous meals, then a local restaurant that is an important stop for many families.
It depends now. Like for example, they ordered like appetizer and then entree. Yes, but if they do fix with the entree itself, no.
أول مرة مجرب أبي أريد ياكل من كل شكل يجرب تجربة، يعني الماء بيعرف أبيته بكتير بس إحنا عنا الموظفين كلاتهم.
We have one size.
I'm so sorry to say, but we throw it out.
بس احنا هودي ما بنكبهم على الزبالة، كلهم بنلمهم ونحطهم ببوكسات كلياتهم ونعطي على الموظفين ونوزعهم.
If this continues in the future, we will have more people and less resources. We can't afford to throw our natural resources out in the garbage. Let's do something about wastage.